Okay, so unless you're living under a rock, three things are abundantly clear. Number one, Joseph Robinette Biden is cognitively subnormal, to put it nicely, and is decaying by the day. Everyone with eyes can see this, not only here in the United States, but around the world. It's actually quite embarrassing. Number two, his next in line, Vice President Kamala Harris, is very unlikable, and it's virtually impossible for her to win in a general election against Donald John Trump, which leads to number three, which is that the DNC is nervously scrambling, trying to figure out how to put someone else up in a seamless way so as to save themselves from the embarrassment of exposing themselves as a disastrous party they are. I'm hearing that they are going to have an open convention at the DNC in which Gavin Newsom will likely emerge as the candidate who will face Donald Trump in the general election. But what I find the most interesting about this is that many of those who are self-proclaimed leftists are downright acknowledging that when it comes to men like Gavin Newsom, they're not really effective or productive leaders. They are just a nice-looking face and a nice-sounding voice.
Newsom is good-looking. Newsom is articulate.
They think that Trump should be afraid because here's someone who is younger and more better looking and can speak better than him.
The imagery of this good-looking Californian who's 25 years younger than Trump on stage, would be very powerful, would really bother Trump.
And you realize that this is a game to them because while they are insisting on Gavin Newsom as the Democrat nominee, they are at the same time acknowledging that his leadership left California in shambles.
You may not like every part of his policy decisions, and there's a lot of things going wrong in California, but Newsom can slay Trump.
And so if you are acknowledging that his leadership left a state in shambles, why then would you insist on him to run the entire country? But you know what's sad about all this is that, in a sense, they're right. A lot of people don't actually care about how productive or effective a leader is as much as they care about how good they look on camera or how well they sound or how good they make them feel. This is one of the many reasons why I'm totally against this kind of mass enfranchisement. Why? Because these political and social demagogues are using and exploiting the ignorance of multitudes of people in order that they might build an army against common decency, against structure and stability of civilization. They wish to undo Western civilization and the Christian values of personal responsibility that it's built upon, and in its stead, move us more toward a Marxian globalist society. And they're doing so by dumbing down future generations in the schools and instilling them with values that are more in favor of the society that they're trying to build and hostile to the Christian values that made America great to begin with. So I don't know how well this take is going to age, whether or not Gavin Newsom will be installed as the Democrat nominee for election year 2024. But if and when that does happen, understand that the political elites are playing games with America. And the question is, how long will you stand for it? Hey friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like what you heard, please like this video, please share this video, please subscribe to this channel. And thanks, really, those of you who are already subscribers, for 10,000 subscribers. I didn't think we would get this far, but here we are. But let's keep it going. Let's continue to get these messages out. I think people need to hear them. So become a subscriber, maybe even become a member. God bless. I'll see you in the next one.